Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Claude with large documents. So whenever you have any large documents in Claude, you should note that you won't be able to upload it to any project's knowledge base because there is a maximum file limit. Although, however, the file limit for individual chats is quite large. So, a matter of fact, you can upload hundreds of megabytes of files inside a singular prompt, which makes it really useful. So, let's say, for example, you have a textbook such as this, Campbell's Biology. So, this is a college level textbook, and the file itself is quite large. If we go ahead and take a look at how large it is, we can see that it is 174 megabytes. And the contents itself, it's over 200, maybe around 300 pages long. So it's a large file with lots of dense information. One great thing about Claude is its analysis skills and its ability to quickly go through lots and lots of information in a short span of time. So let's say, for example, that you are given this is just a hypothetical, but let's say, for example, you are given this textbook during your college class and you would like to quickly look for information that you are interested in. So let's say, for example, I can ask it about a particular topic and it will give me a response based on this file that I've uploaded. So let's go ahead and write a demonstration prompt. Summarize the portion about the said project. Let's go ahead and hit enter. So if you're wondering how you upload files, simply click on the plus button when starting a new chat, then click on add files or photos, and then navigate to the file that you would like to upload. So that's what I did. I just did it ahead of time for a little bit because, as I've said, it's quite a large file. So I wanted to get started uploading that file right before the video started, if you're wondering. So right now it's reading the PDF. So as I've said before, one great thing about Claude is its ability to go through heaps of information very quickly. So right now it's reading through the hundreds of pages in this textbook, and it's going to save us a lot of time instead of if we were to go through the book ourselves. So it's just one way of gathering information, one way to streamline your learning process, and it's a great technique to be familiar with or well versed with. So as you can see here, right now it's searching particular portions of the book, particular sections, and it should give us an answer in just a few more seconds. And here is our finished prompt. So right now Claude is writing it out. So here's the central dogma of biology that it asked about, and it's done a good job of summarizing it into bite-sized pieces of information for me. So this is just one of many possible applications. You can use Claude for large documents. So another example is large code bases. If you're working with large program backends and other stuff, you can upload your files to Claude, ask it to analyze them. Maybe you're inheriting the work of another person and you aren't exactly familiar with how the code is structured. You can upload that to Claude and ask it to help break it down. So imagination really is the limit. It's a very powerful tool that I recommend you guys get familiar with. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.